So I wanted to show you how I've been using ManyChat for a couple of years now to handle my lead qualification on Instagram. So instead of me having to manually respond to every single inquiry and every single question that a person on social media might have about my offers or my services, I have a short questionnaire that allows them to plug in information about what they're looking for, their businesses, and then they will be able to get taken directly to a link to a landing page. So for example, if someone says that they're looking for one-on-one assistance with their marketing strategy, the bot will then respond with the link to a marketing VIP day intensive. Or if they're saying they're looking for DIY, then they'll be sent a link to like a YouTube video. So I don't have to bear the burden of having to answer every single DM because the bot will qualify the lead and recommend the best offer or service for what they're looking for at that particular time, 24/7. So whether they're DMing at 2 o'clock in the morning or at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, they're getting a response and being driven directly to what it is that they're looking for without me having to manually do it. So let's get into ManyChat and I'll show you how to set it up. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the link below this video and download the lead qualification bot template. So I already created a preset template for you where you can plug in all of the information for your lead qualification. So it's all set up. You just have to add your keywords, your offers, and then the specific questions that you want to ask your prospect to guide them to the right place. Once you've done that, then you're going to go into a tool called Copy Hero. You can create a free account, no credit card is required. They have lots of different AI tools that you could use for marketing your business, but you're going to go to the top and type in ManyChat, and you're going to go to the lead qualification bot, or on the sidebar, you can also find the ManyChat tools and get the lead qualification bot from there. Once you're there, you're going to plug in what your business is, the name of your audience and the problem that they have, and 1 to 3 offers that you want to recommend. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now with a sample business. Once I've plugged everything in, you'll see it populates all of the questions, and then you can go in and edit your bot. So you would save it to your profile by hitting the Save to ManyChat button, and then it will look something like this. The first step you're going to decide is what is the keyword that you want people to send to trigger the bot. For our chat bot, we use acronym CMO or SOS, and those two trigger different bots for different things. So the CMO is more service based for content and videos that talk about fractional CMO stuff. And then SOS is more for general small business entrepreneurship advice. So you can decide what that keyword is here. I recommend picking a keyword that isn't often used in normal messages or in usual language so that it won't get tripped up. Not things that people would normally put in a DM message anyway. You'll see here that then your tag is already set up. So it will tag the lead. So when you're looking at your contacts, you know who came in from the qualification bot. And if they are already a lead, if they've already been tagged and they've already gone through the bot, they will get another message just to make sure that they're not receiving the bot in error or duplicate times. After that, you would plug in your welcome message. So you would go to Copy Hero. You would copy the message. You would paste your message here and then, of course, edit it for your specific business. The tool is meant to give you a starting point so that you don't have to think through questions and things like that, but you'll definitely have to edit it for your tone of voice and something that makes sense. After that, you would move on. You would go to question 1. Are you looking to improve your video skills or seeking assistance with video production? You would plug that in here. You would put the answer number 1 here, answer number 2 here. Then based upon that, it will document the answer in their profile. Based upon their answer, they then move to questions 2 and 3, and so on and so forth. So again, it's really easy for you to plug in your offer descriptions and all the things that you need into the bot because you already have a framework to work off of, and you don't have to do a lot of thinking on how you want to set it up. Hopefully this was helpful, and it allows you to make it a lot easier to manage some of the influx of messages in your DMs. Now, this is for my social media optional business owners. You use social media at some capacity. You're posting on there, but you're not necessarily engaging every day. You might not even log on every day. You're not necessarily managing your DMs and things like that. For me, I don't have a social media manager for my business page, so I let my bot do a lot of the heavy lifting. But I also use this feature, which I will show you in the next couple of minutes, that's going to walk you through how to set up an automated reply. You can do this inside of ManyChat, but you can also do this inside of the Meta Business Suite. And essentially, it's just an automated message that someone gets anytime they send you a DM. And that will allow for you to redirect them to the channels that you actively use and do engage on versus having them sitting around in Instagram waiting for a response from you. The thing you'll want to add is an automated message. So I have an automated message set up so that people who DM our business account know that we don't actively manage the inbox. We get a ton of spam, like horrible, annoying things like this. I definitely put due to foolery and spam bots in our inbox. We do not actively manage a DM, so please visit our website for further info. Here, you can set up a message to send whenever someone sends a DM that's not keyword specific, and it will respond with a default reply, guiding them back to your bot and making it super easy for people to know you're not actively managing the inbox, and you can drive them wherever it is that you would like. I hope you found that super helpful. Let me know if you actually end up setting it up. Send me over your Instagram. I'd love to take a look, and let me know what other types of videos you'd like to see. There's a lot of things that I do in my business and for my clients using AI, using templates. So happy to share any of the resources that we have for you to DIY some of your own marketing and move the needle in your business. See you next time.